You're tuned in to the Kansas City Weather Report, your daily source for the latest local forecast right here in KC. Whether you're planning your commute, weekend barbecue, or just trying to figure out if you need that extra layer, Wes has you covered. So let's dive into today's forecast.
Welcome to the Kansas City Weather Report. I'm meteorologist Wes Peary. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, the day before Thanksgiving. And here's what's up with the weather. It has turned much colder here across Kansas City, and we're in for a chilly, but maybe not quite like cold day, a dreary day overall. Temperatures this morning close to about 35. This afternoon we'll get to about 40 or 45. Light rainfall begins to move in this morning, especially on the north side of Kansas City and kind of like the northern half of the metro. The light rainfall moves in this morning, and then by around lunchtime into the afternoon, it slowly pushes to the south, and it's ending up raining all over the city, probably by around 1 o'clock. Heavy at times, but no real thunderstorms here, just some showers sliding through for the afternoon. Most of it is probably done by around 6 o'clock. We'll get about a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch of rainfall. But, I mean, it's just going to be kind of a chilly, soggy day here. For Thursday, cold conditions returning, the morning wind chill of about 15 degrees, about 35 for Thursday afternoon's high temperature. Thankfully, it'll be mostly sunny. Friday morning, even colder, like 10 to 15 degrees. Yikes. For the wind chill in the morning, and then the afternoon is still only about 30 to 35 degrees. We'll have some light snow possible on Saturday. Not really too concerned about this impacting travel unless you're up very early in the morning on Saturday. I don't think this is going to do a whole lot. Amounts look to be less than an inch. And if this stuff comes through after sunrise, so like if it comes through around 8 o'clock in the morning or afterward, it may not even stick to the roads or surfaces or anything very well. But a decent chance of some light snow on Saturday, about 35 in the afternoon, underneath a partly cloudy sky. Sunday, the wind chill near 10 degrees, maybe even some single-digit wind chills on Sunday morning, 35 in the afternoon, and partly cloudy. Wind chills again on Monday, 10 to 15. In the afternoon, 25 to 30 for a high. Monday is a sneaky day, as Monday could end up either being the coldest day out of the stretch of weather or the first day in which we begin to warm back up. So some play here with Sunday and Monday on which one of those end up being the coldest days, but I mean, either way, they're both pretty cold. Now, Tuesday, I think we will begin our upswing, 25 in the morning, 35 in the afternoon, near freezing on Wednesday morning, and near 40 for Wednesday afternoon. So we're going back up generally with high temperatures for the middle part of next week, and we may even get back up into the 50s to near 60. And by that point, we are into like December 5th or 6th. Like next Wednesday is December 4th. So we like in about a week and a half, we may be getting back up into the middle to upper 50s, thawing out. All right, it's time for today's weather word of the day. For today, 2 words: radiation fog. Radiation fog. And this is the type of fog that you get kind of just on a chilly night. I don't really know if this is not really a great setup for radiation fog. Maybe tonight, but once the air gets so dry, it's tough. Radiation fog is simply the surface of the earth cooling off, and so therefore the air right near the surface where we live is also cooling off. It cools off so much that it hits the dew point, and then the air, and the moisture in the air rather, that you can't see, becomes visible in the form of fog. So it's really the most common type of fog that we see, again, usually on chilly nights, maybe after it rains, or just generally like valley fog is radiation fog as well. Pretty simple stuff. We are leaving one of the foggiest times of year, but we're also getting ready to go into one of the cloudiest times of year. December is one of the cloudiest months of the year, and fog is just a cloud that forms on the ground. All right, recapping the forecast, 35 this morning, 40 to 45 this afternoon. Showers are likely, or rather a long shower is likely this afternoon. A tenth to a quarter of an inch of rainfall. Cold tomorrow morning, about 15 degrees. For Thanksgiving, I think there's no precipitation impacts. It's just plainly a cold day for Thanksgiving. 35 in the afternoon, 10 to 15 degrees for the wind chill Friday morning, 30 to 35 in the afternoon. Light snow on Saturday, maybe causing travel impacts if you leave really early in the morning on Saturday. Otherwise, probably not, and less than an inch of accumulation from this snow if it happens. The wind chill on Sunday morning near 10, high near 35, 10 to 15 for the wind chill on Monday morning. Highs again 25 to 30, about 35 for Tuesday, and close to 40 for Wednesday. Thanks again for joining me for this edition of the Kansas City Weather Report. And you can find me on social media at West Weather. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast as things get more and more interesting as we go through, or really begin to officially get into December and winter. Have a good one.